Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Kirtana HR, currently pursuing in first year BE in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today's subject is waste management and the topic significance of recycling. Now let us see what is recycling. Recycling is the process of converting waste materials into reusable objects to prevent the disposal of potentially useful materials into landfills. It involves collecting, sorting, processing and remanufacturing materials like paper, glass, plastic, metal and textiles into new products. Recycling helps conserve natural resources, reduce pollution, and lessens the strain on the environment by minimizing the need for new raw materials. Origin of recycling. Recycling has been a common practice for most of human history with recorded advocates as far as back Plato in the 4th century BC. In pre-industrial times, there is evidence of scarce bronze and other metals being collected in Europe and melted down for perpetual reuse. Paper recycling was first recorded in 1031 when Japanese shops sold repulped paper. Why recycling should be done? Recycling is one of the best ways for you to have a positive impact on the world in which we live. Recycling is important to both the natural environment and us. We must act first as the amount of waste we create is increasing all the time. The amount of rubbish we create is continuously increasing. Increasing wealth means that people are buying more products and ultimately creating more waste. Recycling population means that there are more people on the planet to create waste. New packaging and technological products are being developed. Much of these products contain materials that are not biodegradable. New lifestyle changes, such as eating fast food, means that we create additional waste that isn't biodegradable. Types of recycling. E-recycling, that is computer recycling, plastic recycling, chemical recycling, wood recycling, glass recycling, textiles recycling, and waste paper recycling and cardboard recycling. Now let us have a look on types of recycling. And the first one is e-recycling, that is computer recycling. Used electronics which are destined for reuse, resale, salvage, recycling or disposal are also considered e-waste. Electronics car components such as CPUs contain potentially harmful components such as lead, cadmium, beryllium or bromonated flame retardants. Second one, plastic recycling. Plastic recycling is the process of recovering scrap or waste plastic and reprocessing the material into useful products. Soft plastics are also recycled such as polyethylene film and bags. Third one is chemical recycling. Chemical recycling refers to operations that aim to chemically degrade the collected plastics waste into its monomers or other basic chemicals. The fourth one is wood cycling. Wood cycling is the process of turning waste timber into usable products. Recycling timber is a practice that was popularized in the early 1990s as issues such as deforestation and climate change prompted both timber suppliers and consumers to turn to a more sustainable timber source. Fifth one is glass recycling. Glass recycling is the processing of waste glass into usable products. Glass waste should be separated by chemical composition and then depending on the end use and local processing capabilities, might also have to be separated into different colors. The sixth one is textile recycling. Textile recycling is the process by which old clothing and other textiles are recovered for reuse or material recovery. It is the basis for the textile recycling industry. The last one is waste paper recycling and cardboard recycling. The process of waste paper recycling most often involves mixing used or old paper with water and chemicals to break it down. It is then chopped up and heated, which breaks it down further into strands of cellulose, a type of organic plant material. This resulting mixture is called pulp or slurry. Now let us see process of recycling. And the first one is collection. Materials like paper, glass, plastic and metal are collected from households, business or public recycling bins. Second one is sorting. Collected materials are sorted into categories to separate different types of recyclables. This can be done manually or using advanced machinery and technologies. The third one is cleaning. Once sorted, recyclables are cleaned to remove contaminants like food residue, labels or other substances. The fourth one is melting, purifying or processing. Different methods are used based on the material type. For instance, plastics are melted down and formed into pellets, while metals are melted and shaped into new products. Fifth one is manufacturing. The processed materials are then used in the manufacturing of new products. Recycled materials can be turned into items like paper, cardboard, plastic bottles, metal cans and more. The last one is distribution. The new products made from recycled materials are distributed and made available for purchase, completing the recycling loop. Conclusion. The conclusion regarding recycling is that it's a crucial practice for reducing waste, conserving resources, and mitigating environmental impact. It helps in reducing population, conserving energy, and lessening the strain on natural resources by reusing materials. Thank you for watching my video.